What's up guys, it's Sinclair Photos here out on this beautiful Sunday morning. Happy Easter everyone. Today we will be reviewing my new car, the Volkswagen Golf. It's replacing the Hoopty and it will have the Hoopty plates back on it whenever we get the hard plates for it in the mail. So let's dive in and check out my new car. This car is a 2012 Volkswagen Golf in baby blue. It has a inline 4 in it, and it's a lot of fun. And I'm glad it's replacing the Hoopty because I needed some a bit more stylish for my fancy needs as a fancy man. It's got a pretty cool outside, so let's dive in and look at the inside. Inside has a sweet radio, got the carpet interior, has some back seats, and the cool front seats. It's a 2-door, so it looks kind of sporty, and sport mode is a lot of fun. I can't wait to have a lot of fun times in this car and see a lot of supercars. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you liked my new car, leave a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and get my channel out there. And I will see y'all in the next video.